Tita.
What, boy?
Danger above is balloon.
Danger above is balloon?
Singer ng butiki. How many did she send you? But I know.
I only copied 2. I already have that singer in the boutique.
Oh no, you're gonna have a lot of songs. Maybe she used all of them.
Why?
Maybe I'll call her and cancel it. Ate Abby, cancel it. It's already at singer ng butiki and we already got it. No problem, amigo. It's good. Tata, finally. Danger above, can I play balloons? Remember a rocket?
What?
A danger above is balloon with a rocket. Wait, I'll do it. No, I'm going to help you find it. Okay? I remember. Let's just find it. But I can't remember all the password.
What's the password?
Oh, I got it now.
What is it?
Danger above means that's where my birds are hidden.
Huh? Your birds are hidden?
Yeah, and the rocket. I got only Starbird and Greenbird. And I found Greenbird in number 5.
How about that bird?
No. Those are just pets. But
The driver of the black BMW,
but I
please proceed
want.
to the lobby now.
I'll get
Sure.
that danger above. Danger above.
Danger above?
That's full of balloons.
Paging the driver of the black BMW, please proceed to the lobby now.
That's the last I got. You see? Last.
Okay.
See, I got last.
No.
I got so many eggs.
How many?
So many. So all my different, all my golden eggs are hiding
Where?
everywhere he can be seen. Even in the mystery. I know what's in danger above with balloons. A mystery too.
Oh. How will you solve the mystery?
I know where our stuff was hidden. Was hidden all where? In the